Instapage Popups is a powerful tool for capturing your visitors' attention at the right moment. Let's see how our on-page pop-ups work and how you can maximize their impact. To begin, select Page Pop-up from under Page Settings inside the Builder. Next, you will need to turn on the toggle Enable Pop-up and begin customizing your pop-up. You can customize the pop-up by adding any element from the menu on the left. Under Pop-up Trigger, choose the trigger you'd like to activate. For each trigger, you can select if you want the pop-up to show up on desktop and/or mobile. If you choose Exit Intent, the pop-up will be triggered when the mouse leaves the tab or window focus, includes actions like clicking the back button or switching tabs. For mobile, it will be activated when the user returns to the landing page tab after switching tabs. Choose Scroll if you want the pop-up to be triggered when the user scrolls past a specified percentage of the page length. This allows for dynamic engagement as visitors explore your content. Choose Time on Page if you want the pop-up to appear after the page load completes, ensuring that it doesn't disrupt the initial user experience. Feel free to set a custom time delay after the page load completes before the pop-up appears, allowing for strategic timing based on user behavior. On-page pop-ups are a versatile tool for engaging your audience at strategic moments during their browsing experience. Check out our other video tutorials or reach out to our support team at help@instapage.com if you have questions.